drink like heavy whipping cream? I'm saying, can you drink it? Like, is it milk? It's just like, there you go. That's just all exactly. Voila.
You are just so impatient, like this guy. Oh wait, you feel it? You feel it first. You feel first. Thank you. Hey y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear me over the AC, but I'm on my way to Target. We're doing a little cooking vlog, cooking video again. We might actually, I don't know, I'm like really tired because we'll have to set up the camera and do everything. But I have to go to Publix for 2 things, or maybe I'll see. Decide to get it, depending on what time he gets off. But I don't know. I'm not gonna go inside Target because Target is like, I'm gonna have to go all the way in the back to the food, and nobody got time for that. That was the whole point of me placing the order. But they didn't have the heavy whipping cream that I needed for my food, and I'm pretty upset. I went the wrong freaking way. Oh, I'm so freaking upset. I'm taking like the long way to Target now. I have to make a U-turn all the way at the light, and yeah, I'm like so annoyed because I got off later than I wanted to. Oh, the light's green. Please stay green. Please stay green, because these lights don't like staying green. Or what? Yo, it turned red. It literally just turned red. I'm so annoyed. Like, I could already been there, got my groceries on. Like, it just turned red. I don't know if y'all can see. You need me to pull up my seat a little, or?
Oh, no, you're good.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a nice one. You got your smoothie in there. We're gonna go to Publix. You wanna go to Publix? You wanna go to the store, Mama? I'm about to take off your jacket. Oops, sorry. Some people are just so impatient. Like this guy, he had just walked up with his kid or whatever, and I'm like, oh sorry, and I'm like holding my door, but mind you, his kid could have got on the other side. I wasn't being nosy, but his back seat was clear. Like his kid could have got on the other side. But it's like, you see, I'm trying with my baby in the car. It's cold outside. I was taking off her jacket, so I was in the middle of like, you know, taking all that stuff off. But he could have just been like, oh, it's fine, like I'll wait. But like he was like in a rush. Like, you can calm down. People make me so mad. Like, but yeah, just had to tell y'all that. But we're gonna be on the way home. Brooke, say hi. Hey y'all. Oh wait, you feel it? You feel it first. You peel first. Thank you.
Does it say bang?
This is how you do it, okay?
Does it say bang? What does it say?
This is how you. Excuse me. Oh.
Wait, is this? Oh, there you go. That's touching my way. Exactly. Voila.
Guys, do you usually spray the pan for this? No. I have it on like 3. What? What?
It wasn't supposed to be a pimp. It's supposed to be like a crackhead.
Can you drink like heavy whipping cream? I'm saying, can you drink it? Like, is it milk?
It's not milk, no.
Oh, I thought it was milk.
What? I thought you said like wasn't
No,
milk.
it was clear from that.
I always thought it was milk. I thought they just like whip it like until it's like a little thicker.
Okay, my turn.
Look.
Ooh, pretty.
I haven't heard that song in a while.
What's so funny?
I know it was making strawberry milk.
Can we stop?
Where you going?
It's gonna be better once everything's finished. And leave that pan when you're done with the chicken.